What if I told you that just a few smart stock investments today could completely change your financial future? Most people think investing is risky, complicated, or only for experts. But the truth is, anyone can start even with a small amount of money. In this video, we'll break down the best stocks to consider right now, powerful long-term investing strategies, and how you can build passive income through dividends. If you're serious about growing your money, this video could be like. The stock market is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in history. While saving money keeps it safe, investing allows it to grow. Over time, even small investments can turn into significant wealth thanks to compounding. Instead of chasing hype, smart investors focus on strong companies. We'll talk about blue-chip stocks, which are stable companies, growth stocks representing high-potential companies, and dividend stocks, which are income-generating assets. The key to success is consistency and patience. We'll explain the buy and hold strategy and dollar-cost averaging. It's crucial to avoid emotional trading. Imagine getting paid just for owning stocks. We'll explain what dividends are and how passive income works. Also, the power of reinvesting dividends. Stock market success doesn't come overnight, but with the right strategy, discipline, and patience, you can build real wealth over time. Start small, stay consistent, and always keep learning. Your future self will thank you.